Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about solving exponential functions. Before we do that, I'd like to run some logic by you. I like Super Mario, I like Nintendo games, and so I decided to get a flower from the Mario Brothers. Now, if I had this flower and I knew it was equal to another flower, but the top was missing, which one would you say out of this group belongs up here? Now, obviously, you're going to say, well, Miss, that's so easy. It's C, of course, because this is the flower that looks like this. Now, what you've just proven to me is the principle of equality. Principle of equality states that if I have two objects that are the same, that means every part of the object is going to be the same. So let me extend this to powers as well. Let's say I have 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 7. Well, I see that the bases are the same. I have an unknown in the exponent, and I have a 7 in the other exponent. But if I used my principle of equality, then I can say, I know x must equal 7 because it states that these two are the same, and the only thing that's different is we don't know the exponent. So it has to be the same exponent as the other one. So solving exponential functions, it's similar to that. Now, if I can get the same base, then I can equate the exponent. Now, I know that 32 can be prime factorized into 2 to the power of 4. So I have 2x equals 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 2 to the power of 5. Now, since I have created these two statements where the bases are the same, I am now going to equate the exponent. So I know that x is equal to 8. Let's practice another one. Let's say I have x, 4 to the power of x is equal to 64. I'm going to see what I can separate 64 into. 64 is 4 times 16. 16 is 4 times 4. So I have the statement 4x is equal to 4 to the power of 3. And once again, using my principle of equality, I can equate my exponents and say x is equal to 3. The last question I have here, 125 is equal to 5x. So for me to find my x, I need to create 125 as a power with a base 5. So I know 125 is equal to 5 times 25. 25 is 5 times 5. So 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Once again, using my principle of equality, I can equate my exponents and say x is equal to 3.